What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today I'm going to show you how to use orange peels in the garden. And you already know I'm getting ready to smash this orange real quick. Let's go. Okay, I actually think that was one of those cuties. Nonetheless, it's still an orange. You guys, you want to tear it into little pieces and you want to just sprinkle it in your garden, okay? You can do this with lemons, limes, all the different types of oranges, blood oranges, anything with a peel on the outside. You can do this. Just sprinkle it out in your garden. Do not, and I repeat, please do not put any of the actual fruit or pulp or any of that in the garden, because it's going to attract flies and bugs because they want to eat that sweet fruit. Only use the peels. Okay. You see how I put orange peels in my garden? Very mindful, very demure, very much full of vitamin C. I'm gonna plow and get all this chopped into the earth. Okay? So easy, so easy. It's really easy, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.